Hello friends, I'm your friend Tanjeea. Today we are going to draw a kite. Do you know kites? They fly on the sky. We fly them, right? So let's start drawing. You need a ruler for this part. Alright. Now we can connect them. But remember, it should be a little bit down. This. Do this. Do that. See? That was easy. Now you could put some ribbons or anything you want. Just it needs to look great. See, that was not too hard, right? Now you could draw ribbons or anything you like, such as the kites, roll like that. You could draw like this if you want, or the roll. It's where we hold the kite string. Now I'll add some ribbons like this. To make it look pretty. Now I will use black color to draw over. Now we could color it. This side could be red. Now I'll use blue. Can be, first one is yellow, the second one is red, the third one is blue, the fourth one is green, and the last one is red. The bar could be yellow as well. There, my kite is done. So, if you like my kite drawing, comment down below how is my kite drawing. So, that's all for today. Bye.